Is your Nikon Z30 refusing to record your precious moments, leaving you frustrated and staring at error messages instead of footage? Let's dive into common recording issues with your Nikon Z30 and get you back to filming smoothly with these easy troubleshooting steps. First, the SD card itself. Ensure it's properly inserted and seated firmly in the slot. If that doesn't help, a corrupted SD card can be the culprit. Try formatting it within the camera. Go to Menu, then Setup menu, scroll down to Format, select your memory card, and choose Yes to format important. This will erase all data, so back up anything important first. Another common issue is a mismatch between recording settings and your SD card's speed. High frame rates and resolutions require faster cards. Check your card's read-write speed. It should be rated class 10 or faster, preferably a UHS U3 or V30 for smooth 4K recording. If your card is too slow, you might need to upgrade. Sometimes, the issue can be as simple as a full memory card. Navigate to Playback menu and check the available space. If it's nearly full, consider deleting unwanted files or inserting a new card. Also, ensure your camera battery is sufficiently charged. A low battery can sometimes interrupt the recording process. Make sure it's at least half charged before attempting to record. If you've tried these steps and are still encountering problems, a firmware update might be necessary. Visit the official Nikon support website, download the latest firmware for your Z30, and follow their instructions carefully to update your camera's software. This can often resolve internal bugs causing recording issues. By systematically checking these common culprits, you'll be well on your way to resolving your Nikon Z30 recording problems and capturing all your creative visions without interruption.